Alma street housing by Palast in Rennes, France. The main urban challenge of the project lies in its ability to initiate a smooth transition and a fertile dialogue between the different neighboring urban forms with varying densities. To articulate the different built contexts present around our plot, we decided to stage a juxtaposition of varied modes of living directly inspired by these neighboring urban forms. The full and empty spaces of the project are arranged in a logic of strip sequence referring to the subdivision of the entire block, like an urban trace, a collective memory to be preserved. This principle makes it possible to produce a rich skyline with a succession of volumes with limited linearity, while planning for a progressive and natural change in the neighborhood. Each of the 5 buildings has its own facade, typologies of windows, and exterior spaces its color. The construction system is very simple, all in exposed concrete with different intensities of leisure. 90% of the apartments are double-oriented and 100% own generous exterior spaces. A great diversity of flats are proposed on the project, triplex houses with private gardens, crossing apartments with winter gardens and duplexes with roof terraces.